Okay. Now here it is clear that the cost price is greater than the selling price, implies there is a loss. So we will be calculating the loss. There is no question for the profit. Okay, and the loss would be calculated using the same formula I just wrote for you. Cost price is 12 and the selling price is 10. Okay, it is 2 rupees.
Guys, those who are facing problem with voice outing and voice cutting, Sir Ali is recording the voice as well and we will share it on WhatsApp. Actually, your internet must be creating some problem. That is why some of you are facing difficulties. Be patient, watch the board, copy down the answers. Everything will be reshared on WhatsApp group. All right. So be patient and work it on and shut your videos. Video and mics should not be in working from your side. Okay. Best of luck.
Okay, now students, now I hope you have grasped the concept of the profit and loss. I also gave you the worksheet in the assembly for the NWE section. She also gave you the worksheet regarding the profit and loss. Okay, it is very easy to calculate. Just keep one thing in mind. You have to just keep an eye on the selling price and the cost price. If the selling price is greater than the cost price, it implies profit, and if the cost price is greater than the selling price, this implies that there is a loss. Okay, now keeping this in mind, we will be moving to the next topic. Before that topic, let me write few formulas for you. It will help you to grasp the next concept, that is the profit percentage and the loss percentage. Okay, let me write. Now see, the first formula which will be coming up to you is the percentage profit. It will be calculated using the formula profit into 100 divided by the cost price. Keep in mind CP means cost price and SP means selling price. Okay. Okay. Profit, for profit you can use the notation P, and for the cost price again CP into 100 like this. Okay, and put a percentage sign. This must be more easy. And similarly, we will be using the formula for the loss percentage. Which is equals to loss upon cost price into 100%. Selling price accordingly. Okay. Now students, just be attentive and listen. I have one very important point regarding this, which is whenever you will be calculating the profit percentage. Selling price, we need the profit and loss. And if he is asking to calculate the profit percentage in terms of the cost price, then you have to put the cost price over here in the denominator for both the cases, whether you are finding the profit percentage or the loss percentage. Okay, hope you have got my point. Now, there are few more formulae. Let me write it for you. Sometimes it happens that the profit is given. Sometimes it happens that the profit is given and the cost price is given, and he asks you to find the selling price. At which price did the shopkeeper sold anything? Okay, provided that the cost price is given to you and the profit he is given to you. Then we price equal to cost price into. Don't worry, all the if you will be needing all the formulas. 100 into selling price upon 100 plus profit. You can mark profit with P. Profit percent. Okay. Now, if you have to calculate the cost price, very easy. Just from this formula, I can deduce the formula for the cost price. Similarly, cost price would be 100 plus percentage into selling price. 100 plus profit percent whole divided by this term comes down. Okay. Okay. Fine. And these similar formulas are also for the loss percentage also. Okay. Keeping these formula in mind, here I will be calculating. We will be solving few examples. Okay. Believe me, these are very easy questions. Okay. Let me take one example from your book. Okay. Yes. Okay, students, now what we have planned is we will be taking a 5-minute break. And the reason for this, we want to take your feedback. Okay, if there are any queries, you can send your queries through chat. Okay, so we are waiting for you. You have a 5-minute time. Okay, go ahead. If you have any question or queries, send it via your chat. Okay, it is basically beta. This chapter is from number 5. All the students queries asked and please
तूने मेरा नाम नहीं सुना क्या? हो तुम क्या
Okay, now hope you have understood the concept of the profit percentage and loss percentage. Now we are moving up to an example. Okay. Now, now we are doing the exam from practice now, page number 113. We'll be doing a work example number 1. Okay, from page number 113. Okay, listen to me carefully. It says a bag costs. I'm making the data. Okay, I'm writing down the given data. It says a bag costs $28. So it is clear that the cost price is given, isn't it? Very easy. It says in part A, if the bag is sold for $35. If the bag is sold, the word sold means the selling price is given for $35. Okay. What is he asking? He's asking express the profit as a percentage of cost price. Remember, we don't have to calculate the profit, we have to calculate the profit percentage. Question. Farooq, you are asking a question.
So yes, I'm having confusion in the third point.
किस point में?
I'm having मेरे third point में confusion हो रही है जो selling price is
confusion हो रही है.
जी जी.
Okay, अच्छा उसको वहीं पे रोको.
ठीक है.
उसको जो है ना जब उसका question आएगा ना तो जब हम ये formula use करेंगे, then you will be getting my point. Okay, it is very easy, believe me. Okay. Thank you. Okay, now in the question it was saying that the cost of the bag was $28 and the selling price, the shopkeeper sold the bag at $35. Okay, now he is asking to express the profit as a percentage of the cost price. Amar, you have a question? Amar, you have a question? You can ask me, but be quick.
iPhone 7 वाला. Yes.
Yes, beta, ask the question. I can't hear you. Amar?
Write it on a chat.
Beta, Amar, I'm not getting you. You can write your question on chat, okay? Send me through the chat. You want to understand number 3 and 4. Okay. Listen, beta, formulas will be uploaded on Edmodo. Okay. Don't worry regarding the formula. Fine. Everybody listen to me. Don't worry regarding the formula 3 and formula 4. Okay. As soon as we will be using these formula while we will be practicing a question, you will come to know how to use it and what is this formula. Okay, just come across with this question right now. Pay attention towards this question which we are doing right now. Now it is asked to express the profit as a percentage profit. Okay, now profit. See the profit formula for the profit percentage. But keep in mind the question said express the profit as a percentage of the cost price. Just now I told you that when you are calculating the profit percentage, you have to see whether it is to be calculated according to the cost price or the selling price. Now here it is clear. It is mentioned that percentage profit should be calculated in terms of using the cost price. Okay, so we'll be using this formula. It says profit upon the cost price multiplied by 100%. Okay, now what you need to calculate the profit percentage? You need the profit, and as I told you can calculate the profit just by using the formula selling price minus cost price. Okay, you have the selling price, you have the cost price. Selling price is 35 and the cost price is 28. The profit is nothing but $7. Okay, now use it in calculating the profit percentage. Put a 7. Cost price, again we need the cost price. Cost price was 28. Multiply this by 100. See whether we can cancel out the see we can cancel out these fractions. You are well aware of the cancellation. 7 ones are 7 fours are. Now 1 upon 4 into 100%. Okay, and 4 ones are 425 the 100. So the profit is expressed in terms of percentage, which is 25%. Means you had a profit of $7. Okay, your cost price was $28. This 25% profit, what does it tell you? Tells you. It tells you that the 25% of the cost price, which was 28, means that 25% of this cost of the cost price. is $7. This is the profit percentage. Okay. Now we'll be coming up to the next example. We'll be solving, practice now, question number 1. Part on the cost price. Gain, what does the word gain means? Profit. Okay, so the profit is given as 30%. Okay, now on the cost price, whenever profit is discussed with you, you have to keep one thing in mind, as I told you earlier, that you have to see whether the profit is given according to the cost price or according to the selling price. Okay, now he says he sells the book at $65. So the selling price is $65. Okay. He says calculate the cost price CP. Okay. He sells a book at $65 and he gains the profit 30% on the cost price. Now he says what was the cost price? You have to find this. Okay. Have you got my point? Have you got what the question is asking you? No, you don't have to copy this, beta. You people don't need to copy this. Fine. Now, have a quick look at this. Now, Ammar and Farooq, you will get this point that the cost price, the formula for cost price is there. Okay. Here was the formula. Beta, don't worry about the formula. I will be giving you the formulas. Okay. Now, what if profit percentage is giving you, selling price is giving you, and you require the cost price? Then how will you be calculating this? For the sake of this thing, I wrote these formulae. Okay, fine. These formula were written for you for such case. You will be using this formula. See, it says cost price is equals to 100 into selling price divided by 100 plus profit percentage. I think all the data here, all the data has been written on the board. Okay, 100 into selling price was 65 divided by 100 plus profit percentage was given to you 30%. Okay. Now we will be solving all this. How much time is left? Time is over. Okay. After evaluating this, you will be getting the answer 50. Okay. The cost price is $50. Okay. Fine. post it on the chat. Video is not clear. I think you are the first one to say this. I think the video is much sharper. Any other questions? Beta, the book, I'm writing down the book. Book 3, 7th edition, chapter number 5. Okay? Chapter number 5. Yes, beta, ask your question. Can I take shot? What do you mean by this? Can I take shot? Screenshot. You can take a screenshot, but don't worry, I'll be providing all the stuff to you on Edmodo. Don't worry regarding the material. Okay? And if you have any query, you can also contact